Hello and welcome to this video. Now in this video, we'll be going to learn about how to swap two numbers in two different approaches. Alright, so let's go for the first approach. So I'm here in my IntelliJ IDE where I've created a new Java file named as swapping2numbers.java. Okay, so now I would say that int a equals, so I'll be declaring two variables of integer value. So int a is equals 5 and int b equals 6. All right, so after swapping the two variables, we'll be having the value of a as 6 and the value of b will be changed to 5. All right, that is the meaning of swapping. So let us go for the first approach. All right, so first approach, then now I would say that a equals a plus b. Okay, that means the value of a is being updated to 11 because the value of a is equals 5 and b is equals 6. So we said that a is equals 5 plus 6, which is resulting in 11. And I would again say that further I will say b equals a minus b. That means the value of b is being updated from 6 to 5. How? That means the value of a is equals 11, so minus the value of b initially was 6. That means the result is 5, which is assigned to the value of b. So b is updated to 5. Alright, then finally I would say that a equals a minus b again. That means, let me say you, the value of a was first updated to 11, so 11 minus, now we updated the value of b to 5, so 11 minus 5, which is 6. Okay, so we successfully swapped the two variables. Now if I would print the two variables to my console, system.out.println a equals, using string concatenation, system.out.println b equals b. So initially we declared the value of a to 5 and b to 6. Now if I would print the value of a and b, you can see in my console, you can see the value of a is changed to 6 and the value of b is changed to 5. Alright, so we successfully swapped the two variables by our first approach. Alright, so let us go for the second approach. Okay, so let me just comment this code snippet, and here I would say the second approach. Alright, now in my second approach I'll be using a third variable. Say the name of the variable is temp. Alright, so I would first of all declare the temp variable, which is also which is also be like an integer value. So int temp. So we declared the value of temp as an integer value, like it doesn't hold any value, so it's like simply a variable. Alright, so int temp. Now I would say that temp equals b and b equals a, and then finally I would say that a equals temp. So now let me just explain you how this code will work. Alright, so first of all I declared a third variable named as temp with no value. Alright, so then further I just assigned the temp variable to the variable of the value of variable b. That means temp is equals b. So now the value of temp will be 6 because initially we declared the value of b as 6. So now we say that b equals a. So next we say that b equals a. That means the value of a is initially 5. So now the value of b equals 5. Alright, and finally we say that a is equals temp. So at first we updated the value of temp variable to 6. That means a now holds the value of temp, which is, we can say that a equals 6. So now if I would print this program to my console, you can say that the value of a will be 6 and the value of a will be 6 and the value of b will be 5. Alright, so let me just run this program by pressing Ctrl Shift and F10. You can see the value of b is equal, so the value of a is equals 6. I'm sorry, the value of a is equals 6 and the value of b is equals 5. So this was my approach of swapping the two numbers, all right, in Java. Okay, so this was all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.